Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make easy fudge brownie, full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8-inch pan with parchment for easy removal. Melt butter and mix with sugar and cocoa until smooth, then add eggs one at a time. Fold in flour and salt gently to avoid overmixing. Pour batter into the pan and bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs for fudgy brownies. Start by melting butter gently and whisking in cocoa and sugar until glossy and uniform. Add eggs one at a time, mixing until incorporated but not frothy. Sift flour and salt, then fold into the chocolate mixture with a spatula using gentle strokes. Avoid overmixing to keep brownies dense and fudgy. Scrape batter into the prepared pan, smooth the top, and get ready to bake for that perfect chewy edge. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps floors crumb-free while your brownies cool, and it feels like a tiny kitchen assistant. I love how it tidies up sprinkles without missing a beat. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the pan in the center of the oven and bake at 350 degrees F, checking at about 20 minutes for doneness. A clean toothpick is not desired. Look for moist crumbs to signal fudgy brownies. Cool the pan on a wire rack to room temperature so the brownies set and slice cleanly. Use a sharp knife warmed under hot water and wipe dry for neat squares, then serve and enjoy the rich, chocolatey results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.